It's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So as you can see, I am taking my compact sander and removing the colorful part of this welcome sign. I did not want to do a heavy sanding, so I did do a very light, almost a dusting on this sign because the sign itself is so thin. But when I went to apply the Craft Smart paint in the color white, I realized that I probably should have either used the Waverly brand chalk paint in Snow White, which was my first choice, or sanded this a little heavier to remove the welcome word from bleeding through. But nevertheless, this is not a project about paint. This is a project about affordability. It's very budget friendly, and I think it's very cute. So as you can see, I have applied several layers of paint to the sign, and now I'm taking the decorative sticker that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I'm placing it on the center of the sign. I do have these little plastic party wear that I am putting on either side. They will be acting as planters for me. And now I have the barbecue skewers. They were the long ones that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I just cut those down to size. And I have one at the bottom and then I put two at the top, only because I messed up when I was laying them out. Now, as you can see here, I failed to let the paint dry all the way, so I had to reapply it and then dry it, making sure that I got up all extra glue that was still stuck on there before reapplying the barbecue skewers down. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to my channel. My new subscribers, welcome guys. I'm sorry I've been MIA. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. I know you all have missed me, but it's for a good reason that I've been MIA. My grandbabies and my daughter-in-law, they were visiting us from Texas, so I had to spend time with them, as well as it being a part of my job where I have to really focus on work for the first 2 weeks of every month. But I'm back. And guys, as you can see, I have this hanger that I'm actually applying using this stapler. And I should have just went on because this wood was so super thin that the staples came right through it. As you can see, I was banging them back through the board, and then I had to fix and repair the piece, but that's neither here nor there. And now I'm using some of that hazelnut paint just to trim around the perimeter of this piece, as well as apply it on the barbecue skewers. And while you watch me do that, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. You know, that one that may be red, blue, green, yellow, you know. And then just don't forget about that notification bell, because that way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to the channel. So as I complete actually painting around the perimeter of the piece, I will be adding some of those decorative rocks that you can find from the Dollar Tree on the inside of these little candy containers with some boxwoods. And we are now at the reveal. So don't worry about how this is leaning. I just have it's me, it's not the sign, guys. I can promise you. I think this turned out really cute, and the total cost to fix, to put this together was less than $5. And I think it looks higher cost than $5. You got to leave me your comments. Let me know what you think about this piece. And guys, again, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. Until the next DIY.